clap sync. This is Solomon, and this is my drag scrap challenge. Let's go. So, I've only recently been starting drag, and like all of the hip pads that I saw online didn't look great. And also to top that off, they're a little bit expensive, you know, like 18 quid expensive sort of shit I can't afford. So I also then looked into how you make your own and noticed that the foam just to make them is also really expensive. Another way, it's fine. And then I researched in where else I can find that foam. And instead of buying expensive foam, which is just stupid foam, you can get it out of furniture. So I'm gonna go to an old couch that I've seen around the corner today that someone's dumped and see if I can extract some foam from it to make my own hip pads. And then I'll show you how it's done in the rest of my video. And it'll be done badly because it's my first time. Come on, I'm very slow. Oh, I hear a car, like someone important's there. There's an awful lot of cars here.
Yeah.
Like, we've walked through here all the time and there's not that many cars.
Yeah.
So anyway, here's the couch. Might be a bit rotten, I might need to find another one. I'm also planning on doing something with that Coca-Cola thing at some point if it's still there by the time I get around to it.
Oh. Good luck. The problem is you've got the
this on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, crunchy. Do you think the couch cushion will have bugs in it?
Oh yes, most definitely, yeah.
Can I get to it this side?
It's trash.
It doesn't come off. That's what I'm looking for. Ah, I broke it.
Yay, hips! Hey, let me get.
It's not as easy as it looks. Am I making it look easy? Probably not.
Oh, really?
It's a bit dirty, really, isn't it?
It's fine, we can wash it.
You know, maybe I need like a more accessible couch.
Do you think we can move this? I think we could push it off of it.
Look down. Brand new furniture. That's what we need. A couch like that's being dumped. Or we should go and just ask if they have any spare foam. Can we ask if they have spare foam?
Yeah, go. Look at you from here.
We have to do that off camera because we haven't got a permit.
Well, you can ask them. I just think it's pretty.
It is very pretty. How damaged is it? What does it say?
Steve Harry's. This is the property of Steve Harry's.
Should we use it?
What for?
I don't know, we can make something out of that. It's really nice.
It is, it's I don't think I understand what is happening with it. Because it kind of goes here and then it ends, and then there's this other one loop here.
I really hope it was chocolate spread what that chair was covered in. Any of the same stuff? That's some dirty shit. Do you think this is the same? I don't think it's upholstery. Oh no! The most important foam of all. Hang on. I mean, it's not what I want, but it will do for now.
This. Just people staring out from their balconies behind us.
What do you think?
I mean,
Yeah?
it's not the right thing, but it might work. But I feel like it's very like bumpy. I feel like you're gonna kind of gonna look like Lumpy Space, yeah, Lumpy Space Princess.
Bad guys. I think it's worth a shot. Okay, so I want to say a special thanks to Sugar Love because I followed your tutorial and I'm not going to do it accurately at all. But anyway, this is what I managed to salvage from an old sun lounging chair. And so what I'm going to do is, because this is quite thin, I feel, I will double it up and then sew it together, and I might even go out and get another one to increase these hip pads. And then I have sort of like vaguely just done this. I have no idea what a hip is really, coming to think of it. But yeah, once I've sort of gotten through this, it should like come here. Now these aren't hip pads that I'm probably going to use in many outfits. I think I'm going to sew them into a specific dress, but that might impede it getting in the washing machine actually, so I think I will make them removable or something. But let me show you the dress that I am going to be making something with. Okay, so I found this in a bin bag outside. Princess bubblegum realness. So as you can see, it's very big. What I like about it is it's free. You know, I like the stones and I like the rose actually. I don't mind the rose. I kind of hated it at first, but yeah. But yeah, I mean, when I'm in heels, this is going to be the perfect size in terms of height, but I am going to have to tape this in, and I'm going to be renting a sewing machine out on a fat llama to do that, and I've never sewn before, so that should be fun. And also, I only have one pair of boobs, which isn't great. So maybe I can try and use some of the upholstery to fill that out in the dress. Another thing that I like about it is that if I was to have to like lip sync in it or something, you can like shake it off and it looks quite funny. But what I don't like about it is it's a lot of pink and there's really nothing else happening on the shoulders. It sort of dissipates, so you have to do a lot more with it, but you know, I can make that work. There's a few creases, I don't know if that'll iron out. I think the material is quite cheap, it's not expensive, and I can tell that this is actually custom made by someone before. And a few of the stones are falling off, and it's going to be a lot of work. But like, one disclaimer as well is I found this in a bin bag outside a charity shop. And I emailed them asking if it was okay to take it, and I didn't get a response. You know, it's like quarantine right now, so nobody is in there. So actually, I just watched it rot on the street for 4 days, and that was kind of heartbreaking. And you know, I was looking at it the first time, and this lady was like, "It's for the charity," and I was like, "Okay." And then 4 days later, I was just like, maybe I can still salvage this. But yeah, that's how I have this, and I want it for my parody of a James Bond song, which will be coming out soon as well. So, dress on the floor before I start working on that. Get back to this, and I'm going to start cutting around some of these bits, just here, and then like, I mean, I'm not doing a tutorial on how to do this, I'm just showing you how I got it and what it's for. So, or what was her name again? Sugar Love. You want to follow Sugar Love to like see how it's done. But I am also doing something different where I'm sewing two together, I think. But yeah, completely free. Free drag wear. Drag does not have to be expensive.